What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Nice black paint, white stripes, 350 engine that sounds just great. I mean, just take a listen to this thing. This thing just sounds absolutely awesome. Gorgeous black paint. Just take a listen there. That's what an engine is supposed to sound like. 350 small block, 4-barrel, carburetor, headers, dual exhaust. Just sounds great. You get disc brakes. Just a great looking car, and this car performs well. Aluminum radiator, just a blast drive, MSD ignition. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. Everything lines up great. Nice cowl hood on it. Cooper Cobra tires. White letter can fits the car. This car is just gorgeous, and it's a nice looking car, that's for sure. Got your SS badging. Your interior, really nice shape. Console gauges, floor shifter, it's an auto. Newer aftermarket radio with Bluetooth and everything. Climate controls. Your glove box, pretty self-explanatory. And here you get your stickers. Got the wood trim. Just a great looking car. Horn works. Temperature gauge. I had the car running for a while, drove it around a little bit, and we're still chilling here at, looks like 170 degrees. So this car does run really nice. Nice bucket seats. Speakers in the kick panel. Just looks great. Paint is so nice, you can see a reflection in it. The doors close and open really nice. Turn signals, really simple in the interior, in great shape. Whoever did this car, they did a great job. Custom auto console. Go ahead, open the trunk and play a game of which key opens the trunk. Nope, not that one. This one does. Your trunk opens really, really nicely. Everything looks good back here. As you can see, there's your numbers on the quarter panel. Some nice looking car. Trunk's painted. You got your spare tire, your jack, everything where it should be. Trunk closes nicely and lines up great. Whole car gaps out great. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. If you are interested in it, we have around 250 cars in stock. We offer special financing for these classic cars. and shipping all over the United States. Man, just look at that car. Badging is looking great on this car. This is one of my favorite cars here. Just a blast to drive. Our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. So make sure you call ahead, make an appointment. You could visit our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Like I said before, call us 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this Chevrolet Nova, and I hope all of you have a great day. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, just keep track because we get new inventory in almost every day. So if we don't have something for you already, we will eventually. With all that being said, we're going to wrap this up. Have a great day, and I hope to see you here at MGM Classic Cars. Bye-bye.